Hey y'all, welcome back to White Mountains Livestock. In this episode, we're going to start a new series on an awesome new program we've got called Ranch Manager Open. Anyway, stick around and it's coming up. Hey y'all, welcome back to White Mountains Livestock. In this episode, we're going to start a new series showing you all the features of this cool new product that we have out called Ranch Manager Open. Now, first off, if you're new here, I want to say welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. That way you're notified whenever we get another video up. So, let's get right to it. So, what you see on the screen here is this awesome, cool little program called Ranch Manager Open. Now, there's a lot of features in this. It's quite extensive. So we're actually going to do a series of videos covering each feature individually and specifically each module. To start with, this is all the modules activated right here. You can actually do that from this little screen right there. You'll have to restart the software when you add new modules. Swine is on its way. I just about got it finished up and ready to release. Probably within the next 2-3 weeks. It should be out. Now, when you deactivate these modules, you will lose all of the data that's inside of those. So just remember that. Now, to start with, right here's your new project dialog. So if you're going to create a new project for your ranch, your homestead, your farm, whatever it is that you have, this is where you're going to do it. You're going to create a new project. You type in the name, you set where you want it to save right here, and you're good to go. Here you open it, obviously pretty self-explanatory. Save, very self-explanatory. Now there's two features in here that are pretty cool. You can back up your project file right here. You can store it wherever you want it. You can also restore from a backup. So you scroll down to wherever you saved it, click that file, open, and it will restore. There's also, you can back up a project to the Ranch Manager Cloud. This is actually a really cool feature. If your hard drive takes a crap on you, well, guess what? Now you've still got your data in the cloud. You can pull it back down. So when you reinstall, put your license key in, all that good stuff, which is generated for you, then you'll be able to pull that back down. So when you back up to the cloud, it's real simple. Boom. Just like that, it's successful. To restore, you just come back down to Restore Project from Cloud. You're going to click on the project that you want, and you're going to go ahead and hit Next, and it'll walk you through all of that cool stuff. And now we'll let this reload again. There we go. Then you've got your Add and Remove modules right here. These are the current modules that you can turn on and off. You don't have to use all the modules that are included in the software. Your owners and contacts, locations, income and expenses, and your schedule and journal are automatically on by default. You can't turn those off. I don't know why you would want to anyway. All of the modules tie directly into these. So those are kind of needed. Your page setup, real simple. It's your general page setup for printing. And then your lists. Display size, your reset display size actually resets your UI. This doesn't automatically read what your screen resolution is. You actually set that yourself for now, and that's under your options menu, adjust display size. Under your view menu, that's exactly what you think. It's to view all of your different active modules. So under cattle, your animal editor, animal sales, animal search, breeding planner, calf crop, feeder performance, herd dams, sires and steers, and unmanaged. Options, same thing, cattle herd. This is you right here. Under cattle herd, for instance, you can actually go ahead and customize your pedigree label format. So how you want that. You can customize your calf crop. So this is like for your table definition. Your herd dams, herd sires, animal search results, what information is available there. And here's a big one. You can set your calving year end. So if you are done calving by, say, July 31st, well, you can set that right here. That automatically sets your year end for calving to July 31st. Then you've got manage list data. So there's a list. If you want to manage from any of the available lists, you can do, you can adjust all that there. Also, your CCIA features. And then disable CCIA features. So that's all cool. Import, you can import your animal from the American Hereford Association, from the American Seminole Association, the Canadian Angus Association, and the United Bradford Breeders. Currently, there is an error with the importing from the Canadian Angus Association. We're currently working on that right now. They changed how their data is actually displayed, so we are getting an error on that, but that will be fixed here shortly. RM Cloud, this is the bread and butter right here. This is one of the coolest things ever. So you got some of your other programs out there to track your livestock and stuff like that. They actually, they're only web-based or blah, 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 whatever. This right here is the magic. So this allows you to synchronize your project through the cloud to other devices. Currently, Ranch Manager is only available on iOS and your iPhone. So iPad, iPhone, Mac, and Windows. Android is in development now. It should be released by the end of this summer. So hopefully we'll get that taken care of and get that out here soon. And then your help menu right here, which gives you your little tutorials. These will also link to these videos at a later date. You can also check for updates and then go to your About screen, which will also show your license number here. Your working year, oh, while I'm here, your letter designation, it is not standard. Every association actually has their year letters a little bit differently. So these are not standard and we can't adjust these. It might be something we add later on, but right now we're not. Okay, also, right here, you've got Save Project, Undo, Redo. You can select the module that you want to enter. And then your working year, which you could actually change with these cool little buttons. Or you could just type it in if you want. And everything's all good. So, that is a very basic, very high-level overview of Ranch Manager Open. There are some cool features with it. Cloud Sync is actually awesome. Being able to sync that so you can actually have your tablet, your laptop, your phone, or any other device that you want down at the chute with you while you've got your livestock in there being worked on, or down being treated by the vet or whatever. You can have that with them, punch in the information that you need, and then hit Perform Sync, and it will automatically sync all of your changes. Done deal. Now, at the moment, there's no swine module. That is coming, like I said, here in the next couple of weeks. I'm hoping to get that released. But we'll see what happens. It should be out pretty quick. I don't see why it wouldn't. Android is well on the way. Should be released by the end of summer. But anyway, guys, that is a very basic overview of Ranch Manager Open from previously Lion Edge Technologies, now from White Mountains Livestock. You guys can check this out, download it, play with it, all that stuff that you want at ranchmanageropen.com. The only thing right now that charges for use is the Cloud Sync, or if you want to import from your RFID or from your scale head. If you do, that costs a flex license right now. That will change in the future. But right now that starts at $50 a year. It is write off. You can write that off as a business expense, and those go up to $200 a year for those flex licenses. They don't offer any other features. Just the more you want to contribute to help get this project going, the better. And we'll go from there. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Like I said in the beginning, if you're new here, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification icon, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.